3 militants have been killed in a gunfight with security forces in Stour area of Tral in South Kashmir. Militants and forces were engaged in a fierce gunfight in the area since today morning. Earlier, troops of 180 Battalion CRPF and 42 Rashtriya Rifles along with Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police on a specific information of presence of militants cordoned off the area, triggering gunfight. Meanwhile, stone pelting protesters clashes with security forces in the area amid a gunfight between militants and forces. Reports said that the forces used tear gas shells to disperse the protesters who were pelting stones on them. The stone pelting at the encounter site continues for long till the militants were neutralized by the security forces. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Sarwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.